Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Filing your W-2 taxes can seem daunting, but with a clear process, it's quite manageable. The first crucial step is to gather all your essential documents. This includes your W-2 form from your employer, any other income statements, and records for potential deductions or credits. Having your Social Security number and bank details on hand will streamline the entire process, ensuring you are fully prepared for the next steps. This initial organization saves a lot of time and prevents last-minute scrambling. Once your documents are organized, the next step is to choose how you will file. You have two main options: filing electronically or sending your return by mail. Electronic filing is generally faster and more secure, often processing refunds in 1 to 3 business days. Many individuals opt for tax preparation software, which guides you through each section. For more complex situations, a tax professional can provide expert assistance. Several online services even offer free filing for straightforward returns, making it accessible for many. Now it's time to input your information. Begin by accurately entering all income details from your W-2 form into your selected tax software or onto the paper forms. Next, input any deductions or credits you qualify for, such as student loan interest or contributions to a retirement account, as these can significantly reduce your taxable income. It is absolutely critical to review every single entry for 100% accuracy. Double-checking prevents costly mistakes and ensures your return is correct. The final step is submitting your tax return. If filing electronically, simply click Submit. If mailing, print your forms, sign them, and send them to the appropriate address. If you find you owe taxes, you can arrange payment directly from your bank account or through other accepted methods. Conversely, if you are due a refund, selecting direct deposit is the quickest way to receive your money, often within several business days. Congratulations, you have successfully filed your W-2 taxes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.